What's going on, YouTube? We're going to get into our next session of the truth about Forex. If you don't know what the truth about Forex is, truth about Forex is me documenting my journey through Forex. I've been in the Forex business for about 5 months now, approximately. My rank is P600. That's $600 a month in residual income. I'm enjoying it. I've been forced to get out of my comfort zone and get more on social media, get more on YouTube, document the journey, and submit videos and let the world know about what I'm doing. It's partly trading and it's partly team building, but another big part about this journey that a lot of people don't talk about is a self-development journey. You have to develop yourself. You have to fix a lot of things about yourself and fix a lot of things spiritually and consciously in order for you to manifest more money. So it's not all about just trading, make money, trade, make money, trade. That's cool. But if you don't know what to do with that money, if you don't know how to reinvest that money, if you're not mentally and spiritually prepared to receive that money, if you're still irresponsible with money, if you're not disciplined, you gonna throw all that money away. So a big part of this journey is, my coaches and mentors, teammates, keeping me accountable and, just helping me expand my mind and my spirit to, learn how to manifest more, cultivate more, and just take care of my money when I make my money. So this is part of the journey, me documenting it. How does that have to do anything to do with money? Because it's forcing me to get out of my comfort zone. And all the success and all the rewards in life lie right outside of your comfort zone. And if you don't know that, go be uncomfortable. Go do something uncomfortable. Go do something that you don't usually do and see the result. You know what I mean? If you're shy, go make a video. You know what I'm saying? Like, if you don't feel like if you're an introvert, go talk to some random people. Go connect with people randomly. You know what I mean? Force yourself to get out of that comfort zone and watch how fast you grow. So I'm going to get out of that and get into what we're going to talk about today, the truth about Forex. So what I want to talk about now is with me being at P600, if you've been watching the journey, you've been seeing what's been going on. So if you haven't watched the journey, just go to the other videos and go through video 1 all the way through this video and you'll see the whole story. But right now where I'm at is my $600 a month in residual income, and I'm looking to rank up more. My next rank is P1000. That's $1,000 in residuals monthly, and I'm like literally knocking on the door. And what do I need to do to get to that next level? I can push myself harder, and I can recruit, and I can build more, and I can do a lot of the same things I've been doing, or I can build my leaders. So this week, this month, my focus is on building the leaders. So if you're watching this video and you have a team and you're looking to rank up, a big part of being a leader is creating leaders. Once again, a big part of being a leader is creating the leaders. You have a lot of great characteristics about yourself. I have a lot of great characteristics about myself that got me to this level in the business. It is my job and duty to teach the other people on my team. If I can't be a teacher of what I know, then I'm basically going to be working. I'm going to be on the rat race all the time, because you're not going to have nobody under you supporting you and uplifting you. You're just going to be a worker. And I don't want to just be a worker. I want an empire. I want to be able to have everything roll on autopilot. So how do I do that? I teach my future leaders how to be leaders, and then I teach them how to teach their future leaders how to be leaders. And therefore, all of these leaders under you will uplift you, and you will rank up, you will move up, and your business will flourish. So basically, one major thing that I learned from this business is having a strategy that is duplicable. I want to say duplicatable so bad, it's crazy. But duplicable. I want to have a strategy that's duplicable. When it comes to trading, you want to have a strategy that's duplicable. You want to just go in there and hit buy and sell and get lucky. No, it don't work like that. You got to have a strategy that's tested. You know what I'm saying? How did I bring that into this? When it comes to team building, I have a strategy that's duplicable. I teach them exactly what I've did to become successful. Literally, I give them a blueprint on me. Also, I'm in a selected group out of my company of leaders. Like, it's probably about 100 people in my organization, and 5 of us got picked in order to accelerate our skill sets and accelerate our advancements in the company. But we have higher standards. We have more things we need to do. We have higher expectations. So what I did was I got that program and I made a miniature version of that program, and I'm presenting it to my future leaders. So the blueprint is already made. So if you're an entrepreneur and you're watching this, if you're in a business and you're already watching this, You don't have to reinvent the wheel. If there's a blueprint that works, keep running that blueprint. Anytime you want to become successful in business and successful in trading, you want to have a duplicable strategy. So my mentorship, my leadership had a strategy. It worked with us. So now I'm putting that on my people and it's working with them. And I'm going to keep them accountable. I'm going to give them weekly goals. I'm going to check in with them every week, and I'm going to cultivate them to being leaders. And this is what should rank me up to P1000. So my next P1000 video, when I make it, you guys are going to be able to go back to this one and be like, oh, that's how he did it. He put time into building his leaders. So I can go hardcore on recruiting this week or this month, but what I'm going to do is go hardcore on my team and make sure I build them, and I make sure they get the concept of you're being built to build other people, and we're going to keep the strategy going. We're going to keep duplicating the strategy of success so we can keep duplicating our income and our wins. You know what I mean? So that's where I'm at with everything. Trading wise, I'm getting better. Actually, I'm gonna let you guys know 3 things that's been messing me up with trading, and I'm not perfect. You know what I'm saying? I still got stuff to work on. I'm a very emotional trader. And I always feel like I'm stuck. I'm always feel I'm short for time for trading. So a lot of times I rush into trades. I can admit, you know what I mean? But it's no excuses. I have to build. I still got some growing to do. You know, even though I'm P600, I've been trading for 5 months. Guess what? I'm still learning. You know what I mean? It's going to be a lifelong journey of learning when it comes to this trading stuff. But over leveraging is one thing. Being an emotional trader and revenge trading. Those have been like the little demon on my arm that be whispering in my ear to this day. You know what I'm saying? You can over leverage. You can actually put in a higher lot size and try to hit the jackpot. And I have that tendency sometimes. If I win 3 or 4 or 5 trades in a row, I'll be like, man, let me see how fast I can make $100. And it's been times I made $100 in 5 minutes. You know what I mean? But I gotta stop doing it. I've been doing it less, but I still haven't completely deleted it out of my system. So I'm working on it, guys. I'm working on it. So over leveraging, being an emotional trader, and revenge trader. What revenge trading is when you lose a trade, you try to double up or triple up to make your money back. But usually what happens, because you're trading in emotion, you don't really sit back and do a true analysis of the market and reset. You just hop back in, and the trend cannot be going your way, or the trade cannot be going your way, and you can lose on the low lot size and then bump up the lot size and then lose again. So now you double, triple the loss, you know. So I'm glad I'm making this video, because this is going to keep me accountable. So y'all check in with me, drop a comment, be like, hey, you still over leveraging? You know what I mean? I want you guys to keep me accountable as well, because at the end of the day, I'm trying to make $100,000. Not trying, I am going to make $100,000 before this year is over from trading. You know, and if I don't make it, it's going to be close to it. Now, 2021, next year, like, I'm guaranteed making $100,000. I promise you. And I'm going to take the money out the bank and count it on YouTube. I'm speaking into existence right now. So $100,000 is for sure. $100,000 plus for sure is the goal for next year. So, you know, that's it. This is the truth about Forex. I'm building my team. I'm building leaders to be leaders, to teach leaders. Focusing on not over leveraging. I'm focused on taking my emotion out, and I'm focusing on just doing what I know I need to do. You know what I'm saying? It's just a mental, like, I be so excited in the markets. It's just so much. When you see money being made so fast, sometimes you do make some irrational decisions, and I'm guilty. I'm guilty, and I'm working on it. So, you know, that's it. I have another thing going on before we leave. Cash for comments. Go ahead and drop a comment. Drop a real comment. If you feel like you got some value out of this video, drop a real comment below, and I'm picking a winner from each video, and I'm cash apping you. So drop a legit comment, not just a BS comment just to enter, because we're not playing that game. Drop a real comment, drop your cash app. Drop a real comment, drop your cash app, and I will be picking a winner, and you're going to get a random pop-up on your cash app like, whoa, you know what I'm saying, money. I enjoy giving away money. I have the Karma Jar Challenge, which is another way I give away money. If you don't know what that is, go to my page and check that out, Karma Jar Challenge. Cash for comments is live. That's it. I'm going to wrap it up, let you guys get to your day. Hopefully you got some value from the video. And, hey, if you're a leader, build your leaders. If you're watching this, let this be a reminder. If you're a leader, build your leaders. Or you're gonna be on a rat race, on a hamster wheel by yourself. You know what I'm saying? So I'll check with you guys later. Appreciate you guys watching.